You wonder how many minutes you spent with your 3.5
Yeah, it might be very weird me doing this. It is quite weird me doing this, but it's well worth it. Hello and welcome to Bosh HQ. Thank you for joining us for another edition of the Bosh Boys vlog. If you've subscribed, again, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, click the button below because there's loads more content just like this coming your way real soon. Today's vlog is going to be a good one because what we've decided to do is give you a little run through of our kit list and give you a little bit of an in and out on how to make your very own food video. Check this out. So this is where the magic happens. Yes, this is where we film our Bosh videos. Now, Bosh videos have been viewed over 2 billion times on social media. So what we're looking at here is a very influential room and a lot of ideas get conjured up in this very space. First thing we're going to do is show you a little bit about our kit. So this is our top-down camera and it basically films all of those top-down videos you're so used to seeing on Bosh videos. Now, Henry and I are usually the hands cooking underneath this camera. So I'm going to let Kat and Charlie talk you through our equipment.
So this is our top-down cam. It's a Lumix GH5 and we've got a wide-angle lens. It's 12 to 40mm. Then it is attached with a Matalini arm onto a C-stand so it can look down. Here we've got our Blackmagic Assist, our monitor, so we can see what we're doing. And then we've got our side camera, which is another GH5. We've got a massive lens, so 40 to 150mm, so you can get right in the food and it will look amazing. And then
we have 3 lights, Kino lights. This is one, this is the second one, and this is our third light.
So that is a really quick run through of the kit that we use to make Bosh videos. If you want a little bit more information, let us know in the comments below and we will answer your questions. Now we're going to film a food video, a really nice masala rice bowl, and we're going to dress the set. Check this out. So we are actually in shoot mode. We're currently filming a video right this second. We're making a keema rice bowl. That's rolling, Charlie's rolling. It's all happening here, baby. So there we are, this just in way of explanation. So the idea is that this spoon is going to go from one scene to the other into the serving bowl, and we're going to dress the serving bowl with what we're serving this keema rice with, which is basic, simple salad.
you could talk now about how unnatural your life is. You wonder how many minutes you spent with your 3.5 bowl.
Okay, so the spoon has gone into the bowl and Kat has captured it from a wide angle. Now I'm waiting until she sorts out the close-up, so when the spoon comes out of the bowl you get all of that lovely cascading rice coming off the spoon. It might be very weird me doing this. It is quite weird me doing this, but it's well worth it. Roll, 3, 2, 1 and... Okay, so the shoot day has come to an end and our little tutorial about how we make a Bosh video has also come to an end. Hope you've enjoyed it. Now obviously at the end of a shoot day there's an awful lot of tidying up to do and that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, do so now because more content like this and the RVs are coming real soon. And they're going to keep you full and keep you entertained and hopefully keep your mates entertained too. So tag them. Guys, it's always a pleasure. Bish, bash.